From the title of this video, you already know what this video will be all about. So in today's video, guys, I'll be reviewing this product with you. Or this is called the Invincible Acne Patch. This product is a 10/10, most especially for sensitive skin and acne prone skin. This is called the Invincible Acne Patch. Like I said earlier, this is a patch you could use to cover your acne, your active acne. When I mean active acne, I mean those kind of acne that has pores on it, that's already, even the color is already red, shining red, and looking so ripe. It has pores on it. Those are what I'm calling active acne. So yeah, this is actually a treatment for your active acne because it consists of salicylic acid, which is an active ingredient for fighting acne. Yeah, so it contains 0.5% of salicylic acid in it, which helps to treat acne. It is basically used for treating acne. It's a treatment for acne. Yes, so this Invincible patch, it came in two different types. Yeah, we have the one that is invincible, which you can actually use during the daytime, and the one that is very visible, which you ought to use at night time. Yeah, so the importance of this acne patch, the good side of it is that it soothes and calms the affected area. Like I said, it's meant to be applied on an active acne. By active acne, I mean those acne that has pores that are looking so reddish, looking like if you should just touch it, it's going to break off and the pores are going to just splash. Those are what I'm calling the active acne. So if you should use this patch on it, it helps to soothe that affected area and calm the affected area. Yeah, it is non-drying. Some persons saying they have dry face so they can't apply. It is non-drying, okay? So it's good for every skin type. Plus it has effective protection for day and night. And lastly, you can also apply makeup on it. Let's say you're having that serious, that active pimple, and you have an event you need to turn up for. You can't just be going to apply makeup on your bare face like that with the active acne on your face. No. So you simply opt in for this product. You take the Invincible patch, wash up your face, and then you apply on it, and then guys, you can simply apply your makeup on this patch. Two wins. Sizes of it is in 12mm by 24 patches. Yeah, 24 patches are in 12mm, 24 patches are in 12mm. That is the Invincible. In fact, they're in the same sizes. Yes, and are 48 in total. Yeah guys, so this is what it looks like. Let me show you all what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. This is the pack of it. So this is what it looks like. It came in 4 cards. Yeah, these are for the daytime and these are for the night time. These are the Invincible Acne Patch and these are the Visible Acne Patch. Yeah, so if you want to use it, you use this one daytime, okay, in the morning time, and then you use this at night time. So if you want to make use of it, you just open it up like this, like so, and then you draw out this one. You see how it is here. Please, your hands should be clean, okay? Your hands should be clean, and then you simply remove. Well, before removing, you make sure of your face that your face is clear. I've washed my face now, and there's nothing on my face. I did not apply no skin products. Yeah, no cleanser, no toner, no serum, no moisturizer, no sunscreen, nothing. Just warm water and my face wash. It could be your foamy face wash or your jelly face wash. So I just washed my face now. Yeah, so like I said earlier, it's meant to be applied on an active acne, despite the fact I'm not having an active acne right now, though I think I can see one here, one here, one. but they're not so active. They're not as active as I'm explaining. So I'll just try them out just for you all to see how to, use it. So how to use the acne patch. First off, you want to make sure your face is washed, is cleansed. Okay, it's cleansed and then dry. You want to be applying it on your wet face, so make sure your face is dry. You could air dry or just part dry. After that, you prep the pimple, prep the acne like this, but it's very active. There won't be point need of you prepping it hard, so you just prep it a bit so that the pulses will just saturate at the surface of the acne, so the part will just simply absorb the pus and then leave the affected area soothing and calming. So you just prep the acne area like so. I'll not be doing it for here. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, it's three places. One, two, three. So let's go. After prepping, you examine the sizes. Since they are all the same size, just examine the size of your the spots of the acne. So you just simply place exactly. So you do like so. Take it out like so. Look right now. Then you mat it in like so. So yeah, I just finished applying all of the invincible acne patches on my face for 3 spots, and I bet you can't even place where they are. So it's so invincible that you won't even notice shit. So there's one here, and one here. So we'll leave it on for 8 to 10 hours, okay? And once you notice that the surface of the patch becomes white, so then we'll peel off. And we examine the acne if it is healing or if it does need another acne patch on it. So this is how I basically use the acne patch on my face, and it's really working. The product is nice, it's good, it's soothing, it's calming, it's not harsh, it does not dry up the skin. Plus on this patch, while treating my face, I can even apply my makeup on. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Are you gonna tell them? Nobody's gonna know, my darling. So it's quite economical, just that is pricey. When I bought it, it was just for 6,000 naira. So I don't know how much it will cost now, but it's a lot and it does last. A very healthy product. It's very good and it's very effective. Guys, it does treat acne. You could try it out and tell me what you think about it in my comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you are agreeing with what I'm saying, and if you wish to try out these products. Share my videos, okay? Comments, definitely please subscribe. Please, I beg of you, I need to reach 1,000 subscribers before the year runs out. I know we can do this. Thanks for now. Bye. See you in my next one.